it's Mrs. Drake with the trombone, and we are going to be doing Book 2, Lesson 6. Book 2, Lesson 6. I hope you've already warmed up, and this video is for trombone, baritone horn, euphonium, and the French horn. Okay, so Lesson 6. The new thing on this page is called a triplet. So look at Song 1. Do you see how there's like a three-legged TT with a 3 under it? The critical thing is that it has a 3 under it. That means it's called a triplet. It is not a regular TT. And 3 of them have to fit in one beat. So I like to use the nickname triplet because it has 3 syllables. So it's not considered TTT. It's considered triplet. So they're each worth 1/3 of a beat. So on song number 1, the nickname would be tripleta, 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 ta. 3 of them have to fit in one beat. Okay, so on song 1, if you're not sure about it, maybe just listen to me play it first so you can get used to it, and then play it along with me eventually. Check the key signature, and if you're playing the baritone or the euphonium or the trombone, make sure you play A natural, 2nd position. Look at the 4th measure. There's a new note. High B natural. High B natural. On the trombone, it's 4th position, so you might want to actually write a number 4 there. We're on song 1, 4th measure, high B natural. If you want to write a 4, go ahead. If you play the baritone or the euphonium, it's 1st finger and 2nd finger, 1, 2. So feel free to write it in. And then everybody, do you notice that measure 5 starts with a high C? I hope you know high C. Again, feel free to write in finger positions, write in natural signs or flat signs or whatever helps you. It's better than playing a wrong note. Okay, so song number 1, tripleta, tripleta. So a new rhythm, but also the notes are challenging. Okay, so everybody warm up the beginning of number 1. Okay, here's song 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, song 2 is called the concert C major scale. So for the trombones and the baritones and the euphoniums, it actually is a C scale. If you're playing the French horn, do you notice that it's a G scale? So French horn people, make sure you use F sharps. Okay? Trombones, baritones, euphonium, all naturals. They put a couple reminders. Notice it's in parentheses because they didn't have to do it, but they want to remind you that in this song there are no flats. Okay, so again, you might want to write in a few reminders, but in song number 2, it should have the tone of do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. If it doesn't, you're probably playing one of the notes wrong. Okay, song number 2, let's take it slow. Everybody warm up the first tone. 1, 2, ready, song 2. Signature is used a lot on this page. So trombones, baritones, no flats. French horns, the F sharp key signature. Okay, let's take a look at song 3. So again, same key signature. There are some slurs, and in the first measure, I wish they didn't put it, because you notice how the first measure is the same 3 notes, so you do have to lightly tongue those. So I wish they didn't put that first slur on there. Remember, trombone, don't do any of the slurs. French horns, baritones, euphoniums, if you feel like you can handle it, do some of the slurs, unless it's the first measure. In the first measure, you do have to flick your tongue a little bit to delineate those 3 notes. Check the key signature. There's a first ending and a second ending, and there's a DC al fine. Remember, DC al fine means return to the beginning and then stop at the word fine. Okay, remember, baritones, French horns, check the key signature. If you're playing the trombone, no flats. French horn, you guys have F sharp. Everybody warm up at the beginning. Okay, song 3. Ready, get set, go. little bit. I'm having some trouble with my lips. I need to get lots of drinks of water. Okay, everybody take a look at 4. Okay, check the key signature. Write in reminders if you need to. Remember, trombone don't do the slurs. This one's by the famous German composer Bach. It might be a melody you recognize. Ta, ticka, ticka, ta, ticka, ticka. Let's do it about that speed. Okay, remember, check the key signature. Everybody warm up the beginning of 4. Oh, sorry, my dogs are barking. 1, 2, song 4, go. Alrighty. Hey, look at song 5, a more familiar key signature. Maybe some of you will feel like it's a more comfortable key signature finally on song 5. But again, if you feel like you need to write in any of the flats to remind yourself, go ahead. Okay. Ta, ta, ta. Yep, so let's do it about ta, ta, grasshopper, ta, ta, ta. Check the key signature. On the second line, they wrote the lyrics in case you want to try singing it. Everybody warm up the beginning of 5. That is correct. Everybody get that first note. Song 5. Ready, go. Kind of a cute melody. Okay, and then on Let the Party Begin, the trombones, the baritones have kind of a bass line thing. French horns, you have something totally different than what we have on the bass instruments. So remember, it goes along together. So I'm going to play the trombone part. French horn people, feel free to play what you have. It should go along nicely. It's not exactly the same, but it should still fit together and create harmony. And everybody, remember when you have this song mastered, find that recording that I sent you of the full band playing Let the Party Begin and try to play it with that full band. Okay, check the key signature. I'm noticing trombone 9, 10, 11, measure 12, there's a B natural. Remember on trombone it's 4th position. On baritone it's 1st finger and 2nd finger. French horns, make sure you do the F sharp. Check the ending. Ticka ticka ta. So that'll be kind of fast there on the ending. Everybody has the same thing there on the ending. Ticka ticka ta. Ticka ticka ta. So it'll be about 1, 2, 3. French horns have T, 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 T. Bass people have T, 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 T. Lots of rests. Lots of rests. Okay, everybody warm up the beginning. Okay, everybody, let the party begin. I'll give you ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Did you get that quick ending? Okay, everybody, that was lesson 6.